how to download APK files on your iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. You'll usually find it on the home screen marked by a gear icon. Scroll down and find Screen Time, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Go to Apps and make sure to select Allow All. After that, return to the previous menu and tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Select Installing Apps and choose Allow to enable installations. Now return to your home screen and open your preferred browser. In the search bar, type APK Pure and visit their official website. Once there, use the search bar to look for the app you want. You'll be given two download options, Download APK and Download from App Store. Tap Download from App Store. This will redirect you to Apple Store to download the iOS version if available. The APK files don't natively work on iOS because they are made for Android. If you truly need to run APK files, you'll need an Android emulator, but those are not officially supported on iPhones. So that's basically how you can download APK files on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.